Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your refrigerator has a door-mounted dispenser, then it will have a few key components. The dispenser assembly sits behind the display board and contains several microswitches. They trigger the release of ice cubes, crushed ice, and water on demand. If the paddles are stuck or won't spring back into position, then it's best to replace the assembly. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new dispenser assembly. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. First, remove the display module. In some models, this will be held in by screws. Other models will snap into place. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to help release the panel. Now, take a picture of the wires for reference. Next, disconnect the wires. Now, remove the display module. To remove the dispenser assembly, you'll have to disconnect the wires. Now, remove the mounting screws. Next, remove the assembly. Align the dispenser assembly onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. Next, reconnect the wires. If needed, align the tube into the mount. Reconnect the wire harness. Align the display module onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. If needed, replace the outer panel. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.